Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 LT. This one has the 6.6 liter turbocharged Duramax diesel fitted with the Allison 10-speed automatic. Now, it's a big truck. To think that we have the 3500, the 4500, the 5500, and the 6500 on top of what this already is, that's pretty insane to think about. Nice large bed. I do believe later on in this year we're going to be getting the GMC Multi-Pro tailgate for the Silverados, but I think just due to everything that's going on in the world, it's been pushed back until later this year. Probably summer we'll start seeing them show up, but even so, it's absolutely an awesome truck. You do have the old step side, so you can go ahead, put your foot up here, hoist yourself up to see up on top of the bed and reach in. On higher trims, actually I'm reviewing a High Country next. This is where your virtual rear view mirror will be, as well as a camera, so if you have a fifth wheel or a gooseneck, you can line it up in the bed without damaging anything. This one, of course, has the Z71 package on top of everything, so it's a really, really desirable truck. Thoroughly impressed that we still have this one in stock, although by the time this video goes live, it might be sold. Total price is $62,490. This is also the All-Star Edition. Yes, some good options. Total options is $16,995. What's the exterior color? North Sky Blue over Jet Black. Plenty of room in the back seat. Nice little storage compartment for your drill and such. And then cup holders and stuff like that. Diesel and DEF. Diesel exhaust fluid. Take a quick peek under the hood. Although this truck is pretty much eye level with me, the top of the hood is. So I'm not sure how much. Yeah, we're not gonna see a lot here. You can open up that intake if you so choose. Yeah, that's a big motor. All 6.6 liters of it. Ugh. There we go. Now, you might notice this isn't where I normally film. There's a couple reasons behind that. Don't really want to get into it. But I've kind of designed the perfect test route for these vehicles that allows me to film a ton a day, and also get a good feel of what this truck is like in all different scenarios. I have a couple parking lot situations, a couple speed bumps, and then also a little stretch where I can show you the acceleration of the truck. Automatic windows. Nice interior. It's so cold today that this one is in its high idle mode all the time. So, LED lighting, same thing. Center console. This one has the cloth seats, because this one is the LT, but I think you can option leather if you so choose. I have the exhaust brake on. This one only has the 2 cameras. You can check your trailer lights, so it cycles through all the different lights. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which is a great feature to have. I have to set it up in my car. I never did. This will be a wall outlet on some higher end models. USB-C, USB, USB-C, USB-A, I think. You can lock that. There's your trailer hitch. This one has the normal rear view mirror. But without further ado, put this in drive. It's in normal drive mode. You can switch it over to off-road or tow haul. Normal. We'll do tow haul mode. You can see here, visibility is pretty good, but it's a huge hood, and this is a big hill. Wide enough for literally one car. That's about it. So I'm looking forward to trying to film the 6500s going down that hill. You can definitely hear that turbo. That's why I love diesels. There's just so much torque behind them that you can literally get out of any situation you want just by hitting the gas. It's a phenomenal truck. Tons of power too. Up over the bumps. Is an off-road based suspension, so it's going to be a little firmer than a lot of cars, but plus side of that is for off-roading it will be nice, firm, perfect, tons of durability in this platform. You can see even around this test track, it's a good amount of visibility, not impossible to see out of. Handles the off-center speed bump perfectly well. Does have a hill hold. One thing with this truck, I just drove the Chevy Bolt. It's a little bit bigger, just a lot of bit. So driving around this test course in this compared to the Bolt, it's a little bit more scary. All right. You can tell there's plenty of power here. Can't complain at all. This is a nice little test track. I was kind of upset at first that we were not allowing me to take them out on the road as much, just to keep miles down on these. But no, it's a nice little test track that I designed. Really gets a great feel of the vehicle in multiple scenarios. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.